Awesome, Brennan.
There isn't.
Move your feet too, Brennan.
Joshua,
I'm trying to get this tight.
put it around your mouth, honey.
I'm trying to tie it. Like,
Madison's making a snow angel. Out in this
Hey.
blizzard. This is our first official blizzard we've
Western
ever been
Oklahoma
in.
blizzard.
It is insane out here. Y'all can't stay out very long. Oh gosh.
Hey, mister.
Brennan's socks are coming off of his hands.
Yeah.
Get up, boy.
Leave it
No,
out there.
it's got it. Y'all can't put it in here.
I see it.
oh my gosh, it feels really good right here.
Thought you wanted to play outside. I don't know how we would pull out. We'd have to shovel the driveway. We don't have a shovel.
Well, we have a shovel.
We didn't bring a shovel. Oh, you bought one?
There's a shovel. No, it's one I brought.
Where'd Madison
It's
go?
not square tip.
It just untied itself.
There.
You got to tighten a knot in the back. Cover your mouth and go in the back and tie it. Brennan, come here. Oh, shoot.